Hey everyone, welcome to Master None Garage. I'm Andrew. Today, I'm going to be doing a small little project with angle iron. If you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. And here we go.
Come on. Yeah.
All right, so I got this, I believe it's 3/4 inch angle iron. We're just making little small crosses. They're going to be about 8 inches tall. So I want to mark right here. The cross beam total, it will be 4 inches. I'm going to cut this out, and when I cut it, I'm cutting it at a 45-degree angle because the tips of the cross are going to be pointed. They're not going to be flat like it is. That's kind of boring looking. Cut it, cut, cut, cut. All right, as you can see, we got our cross beam and our up and down beam, and we're gonna have to mount them flush like this, and we're gonna have to cut this one in half, but we're gonna cut it at an angle, and then once we do that, we'll put tips on them like this, and this will mount just like that and just like that. It's a seamless joint right here, so it all looks like one piece. And then we'll weld them together, and then we'll clean up the welds with the grinder if they look ugly. Well, there is the finished product. I finish welded it, ground it down, made it shiny. This is from Tuesday, so I still got to grind it down and clear it. But I went ahead and made 18 more. I still have to finish weld these and then grind them down to a shiny finish. I might leave some of them raw if the welds turn out, because I'll have good welds and I'll have bad welds. I'm not a professional welder, but I'll weld. There's a saying that goes, I welded, it held it, something like that. Anyways, and that's a motto I live by. I'm gonna go ahead and finish weld these. Put some footage at the end of the video, but if you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.